Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off show content of notifications from apps in secure folder in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings and then click on secure folder. Now here in secure folder, click on notifications in general section and here you will see a hide content button. So if you want to show content of notification from app in secure folder, then turn off this button, and if you don't want to show content of notifications from apps in secure folder, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off show content of notifications from apps in secure folder in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.